Muthenya wa ira wabici ya thitango cia muingi ni irahitukirie EKUIRWO ATANDATU njuragano-ini ya muhuthiri wa nenda Albert Ojwang mahingurirwo thitango cia njuragano. Umuthi igoti-ini ria Kibra wabici ya thitango cia muingi itongoretio ni muteithiriria munene wabici-ini ino yugire wona EKUIRWO aya ari ni hamwe na OCS wa ceceni ya borithi ya Central Samson Talam marekererio na mbero mahota kura na ninge okurekererio ni ugwati kuri muingi.
The accused person, including the accused persons before you, have a right to bail except upon establishment by the prosecution of compelling reasons. Lady, as my learned senior will shortly indicate, we have enumerated by factual matrix a number of compelling reasons justifying the denial of bail upon each and every one of the accused persons before you.
Ohono kwirikanire kwina uhotekeku atandatu aya mangetheirwo ni thitango cia gutwirwo gikuo undu uria ungimacungiriria gwithara na oho kwina uhotekeku wa guthoga wira na kuguoyohia aira cira-ini uyu.
Accused have been charged with a very serious offense, and in the event of conviction it does attract a death penalty.
President wa kiama kia LSK Faith ODHIAMBO na uria ukurugamirire mwena wa family ni athukirie urito itumi iria wabici ya thitango cia muingi iheanire akiuga wabici ino ni iheanite itumi jiganu cia gukinyaniria wendi uyu.
That the accused person should not be released on bond, likelihood that the accused will fail to attend court, commits or about to commit a serious offense, safety of the victims.
EKUIRWO aria angi makuruhanitio njuragano-ini ya Ojwang ni maabitha a borithi James Mukwana, Peter Kimani, John Gige, Jean Abwao na Brian Mwaniki. Riu mucirithania Diana Kaveza ni athanite kwamba kuheo riboti ya uthuthuria tariki 30 mweri wa Mugwanja mbere ya gukinyaniria itua riake rigie mbero.